Hello, my name's Charlotte. I teach the A-level photography. Over the course, it's a 2-year course. At the beginning, we treat it like a foundation. We introduce you to lots of different methods, also lots of different areas of photography. So if you've already studied photography or if you're completely new to it, you will definitely get something from it. We have a great photographic studio here, also a darkroom, so you can print your own images from film. We also teach Photoshop and also less traditional methods of creating art, so collage, scanography, all kinds of stuff really, cyanotypes as well. In the second year, you get to choose your own project. That's when you start getting assessed. You can choose absolutely anything you like, and that's where we start doing really specialist workshops, so things like liquid emulsion, toning, a lot more kind of exciting stuff. There's 2 main projects for that. The first one, again, you choose for yourself. The second one is an exam project, which you have a starter of a word or something like that. You get about 10, 12 options, and then you finish that with a timed exam where you produce your final piece. It's quite popular to go from the A-level arts to do the art foundation course. There's a really good one at the college, and that will help you get into the better universities. We've had students get into universities like Goldsmiths after the foundation, some of the really big ones in London as well. Generally we hear about people kind of coming back. I've been teaching here for about 10 years, so I do kind of bump into old students and things, and the majority of them are doing something creative with their work. Ideally, you should have a digital camera where you can control the shutter speed and the aperture. We do have them here that you can borrow and that you can try out. Obviously, if that's not the style of photography that you want to do, then you don't really need that. But some kind of camera, a digital one where you can take pictures, is definitely great. I would say come here above other places because we are practitioners, so we do actually still practice. I still do photography, I exhibit regularly, I also work as a photographer. Also, I would say that we treat you a bit more like adults than other places, and we're much more creative. And we've also got great facilities. The really lovely thing about being on the 4th floor, which is where we're situated, is as well as our base rooms, we have access to the rest of the art department's workshop spaces, so kind of anything's possible.